the chicken that I had left over from the creamy ranch chicken soup. Creamy ranch chicken that I made. Went in these enchiladas. I just did a casserole. Just on the stove. I was going to do it in Crockpot, but I didn't feel like doing it. Let me get rid of this. And this should be cooled off by now. You see the kids are already eating. It was boil the chicken and then debone it and then layer the pot with some corn, white corn tortillas. And I used the green enchilada sauce, chicken and cheese, and just re-layered it. And they're eating. So quick enchiladas. And usually when I do enchiladas, I do them basically from scratch, boiling the chicken. And it takes all day, but they come out. And when I stuff them,
when you're done with corn, can I have some more rice?
Okay. Sometimes I'll do half with beans, and they're actually rolled. As I said, this is just a casserole. I didn't do beans in here, and I opted out of the beans on the side because I'm kind of tired. So this is it, and I made them some rice to go along with it. They're having some fruit. Yeah, that is dinner. But usually when I do enchiladas, like I said, I'll do the beans, and then I'll do, you know, I boil it with onion. I'll do bell pepper, onion, cilantro, just the whole nine, rolled up individually, topped with sour cream, and sometimes I'll do half red sauce. It just depends. Look at that. This is still steamed up. There we go.